Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make filet-o-fish sandwich. I think I don't need to explain, but just in case, filet-o-fish is McDonald's fish sandwich. I'm totally okay with McDonald's. I have no problem eating it, but homemade filet-o-fish is much better. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this filet-o-fish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 sandwiches. 4 burger buns, 4 fish fillet. It's cold today, but tuna, salmon, any fish you like. 2 eggs, shredded mozzarella, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 1/4 of onion, panko breadcrumb, about 1 cup all-purpose flour, some lettuce, salt and pepper, and dried parsley. At first, let's put some salt on both sides of the fish fillet to remove the fishy smell. Some salt on both sides. And leave it for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm making boiled eggs to make Japanese tartar sauce. Make small crack at the bottom of the egg, pointy side, round side, on this side. Put some water, about halfway up the eggs. Put the lid on and just bring it to boil. While you wait, let's mince onion. Let's take it out in the bowl. Now egg is boiling. Turn the heat to medium low and set the timer for 9 minutes. Boiled for 9 minutes, so let's take them out in ice water to cool down. Let's remove the shell and mince. Then into the bowl. Two tablespoons of mayonnaise, some salt and pepper to taste, dried parsley, mix it well and Japanese tartar sauce is ready. Back to the fish fillet. The salt brought out the excess moisture and it's wet, so let's dry them with paper towel. It's time to make fish fries, so let's bread them. Some salt and pepper into the flour, about 1 teaspoon. It's 1 cup of flour, so I'm adding 1 cup of cold water. Give it a mix. Fish fillet into the batter. Make sure it's all coated. Then panko breadcrumb. Press it down gently so the panko stays well. I'm heating up some vegetable oil over medium to medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature. If you see small bubbles coming coming up when you put down chopsticks. That's the right temperature. Let's put the fish fillet. And fry them for about 2 minutes on each side. Nice golden brown on both sides, so let's take them out. Fish fries are ready, so it's time to assemble. Let's toast the buns. When it's halfway through, take it out from the oven, put some shredded mozzarella on the bottom buns and then back in the oven. Put some lettuce, fish fries, Japanese tartar sauce, buns, and filet-o-fish is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。I like McDonald's, but it's way better than McDonald's. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. But it's hamburger today, so let's forget about the layout. So how about filet-o-fish, norishio potato, and creamy pumpkin soup? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.